Hey everyone, Tyler Stevens here with your RainDrop Minute. Let's talk about valley overshoot, one of the most common and frustrating problems with gutter systems, even on open K-style setups. When water rushes down a roof valley, it often shoots right past the gutter. For years, we've relied on bulky, ineffective splash guards that clog up with debris and just don't get the job done. That's where SlowFlo comes in. This product is easy to install, it's easy to carry, and it's even easier to sell. When you're talking to a homeowner, here's what you can say. Most gutter systems struggle with the heavy water flow coming down roof valleys, but not ours. Our system includes a revolutionary product called SlowFlo. It captures water earlier, redirects it into the gutter, and helps prevent clogs and debris buildup. We install these on all inside corners so you can feel confident no matter how hard it rains. Going forward, make SlowFlo standard on every job with a shingled valley. It's a simple add-on and it gives you the perfect opportunity to educate the homeowner and prevent future headaches. Let's eliminate valley overshoot and the service calls that come with it once and for all. Because the truth is, every homeowner with a roof valley deserves the peace of mind that comes with the install of a SlowFlo. Not every storm is a downpour, but when it is, let SlowFlo safeguard your customers and their property. And that's your RainDrop Minute. We'll see you next time.